it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. There, guys, today we are with Alkaline, the Madagascar moment, Stallion Cosmo, with Blanco. Yeah, Blanco. So this is the official visualizer. Alkaline, brother, my only problem with you right now, dog, we need some videos, bro. We need some videos. Remember, say, March was the last time you drop song, see? March was the last time you drop. January, February, March. Then you give you a break, a long break, until last week, see? Which is what? September. Now, this is the second song. We need videos, bro. Walk on with the videos, them. But let's just take what we get for now. Alkaline. So, you know, so them man think different already. So, we can jump in on and here with the G officer, yeah, man. Let's go. Alkaline, Blanco, let's go. Stop it, calm down, let's go.
Rich.
Griselda Blanco. That's who that is.
Every single time. Sorry.
So this lady is Griselda Blanco. She is known as the female mafia. I think she died in 2012, I believe. She was sentenced also for drug trafficking, and basically she just do her thing. What did I say? Godfather? No, no. Godmother. She's the godmother. She's known as the godmother, but she's also known as the female mafia. Yeah, Griselda Blanco. Let's go.
Every single time. Sorry. Sorry.
Autobahn, big up yourself. Production, H's. Vibes, ready? Let's go.
Every single time. Sorry. Rich song. Girl, make we get rich. Go around the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the wealthiest. Press after monkey bill and next list. Flashlight Blanco, them want know we get this.
Oh, flashlight Blanco, them want know how we get this. So I must spend money like moms, because you know say mom spend her money hard. Because she make her money hard. So I must say moms, I could jump in at it. I could just jet set across the world. Yes. Cross off everything off for your bucket list and just make a next one. You know a thing, because you know what we can do it. Because we have money. We're not broken paparazing, no.
Time. Sorry.
What would have been nice is actually seeing the visuals, man.
Girl, make we get rich. Go around the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the wealthiest. Press after monkey bill and next list. Flashlight Blanco, they want know we get this.
Yeah.
Yes, happiness money can buy.
I'm gonna say yes, happiness, money can buy that. Depends on who you ask. Money can buy happiness. So all I know talk about money can buy happiness. When you can stay there broke and miserable. Me have my money, I'm alright. I'm miserable. That's why the G tell them move from there.
Press out the monkey bill and next list. Flashlight Blanco, they want know we get this. Yes, happiness money can buy.
Yeah.
Make me tell you why. I'll go on my retreat. Still want to pay more money to me. Take that.
Humbuckler. He might tell, listen. He might just give you one general speech and tell us, say, yo, happiness, money can buy happiness. The man say, yo, let me tell you why. Let me tell you why I say that.
Happiness money can buy. Make me tell you why.
Tell me why.
I'll go on my retreat.
Yeah.
Still want to pay more money to me. Take that solitarily, yeah. Visionary. Me and your girl and the billions I will spend now with frigga wish I want liberate.
If you know what the man say a while ago, the boss said billions. Him never say millions. B, not M. Levels.
Still want to pay more money to me. Take that solitarily, yeah. Visionary. Me and your girl and the billions I will spend now with frigga wish I want liberate. Real meaning I sweep the victory and build up my history. See ya. What's big police and upskill thing. Private islands additionally. Girl, make we get rich.
Bumbleclad. Ease, no man. Ease.
Rich, so rich, so rich.
Ease up. Bind. 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 Bumbleclad.
Rich,
It's
so
sorry,
rich, so rich.
Yeah. I'm catching full song already.
Every single
I'm never listen to it again.
So rich, so rich, so rich.
Ready?
So rich, so rich, so.
Yeah.
So rich, so rich, so rich. Rich, so rich, so. Every single time. So rich, so rich, so. So rich, so rich, so. Rich, so. Girl, make we get rich. Go round the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the world is. Press off the monkey, bill and X-list. Plus like Blanco, the one know we get this.
Oh, we get it.
Yes, happiness money can buy.
Make me tell you why.
Although I'm rich already.
Rich already.
Still want to pay more monetary. Me take
Yeah.
that solitarily, yeah. Visionary. Me and your girl and the billions I will spend now with frigga we show off. Liberate. Real meaning I sweep the victory and build up my history. See ya. What's big police and upskill thing. Private islands additionally. Girl, make we get rich. Go round the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the world is. Press off the market, bill and X-list. Plus like Blanco, the one know we get this. Yes, happiness money can buy. Make me tell you why. Hey, rarest gems are the finest diamonds. But put you in a goal of football cup the finance. Watch Panny.
Bumbleclad. Mama, you get the best of the best. You're not getting no made in China jewelry. Big up China, but not your time now. You're not getting no made in China jewelry. You get the best of the best. Listen what you get, mama. Listen what you get, mama.
Let me tell you why.
Ready?
Hey, rarest gems are the finest diamonds. But put you in a goal of football cup the finance. Watch Panny and Walipa Yeka Kuda my ranch. Don't me.
Bumbleclad. Money. I'm watching him now. I want to watch him now. I want to watch a blood clot. But you know what the boss I say? The watch for me on could have buy acres and acres ranch. Properties. Richard Mille up.
Make me tell you why.
Hey.
Hey, rarest gems are the finest diamonds. But put you in a goal of football cup the finance. Watch Panny and Walipa Yeka Kuda my ranch. Don't me have other girl to make a issue giants. Got the money to make them trick you. Everyone me know I go for cash while you want me to. I just want we do antics. Go extra there for piece of fabric.
Everyone when me know I go for cash. But guess what? Me too. Me I go for it too. So guess what? Guess what the G I tell you right there, so? Everybody in our circle I breathe the same. We have the same focus. Money, M-O-N-E-Y, money.
Do me have other girl to make a issue giants. Got the money to make them trick you. Everyone me know I go for cash while you want me to. I just want we do antics. Go extra there for piece of fabric. Price tab outlandish. Full China. Dash for your panty, yeah. Going from Pammy. Grimy. Make step and party. Get a youth life well hearty. Now we're starring. Out in the world I'm foreign. Bugatti McLaren. I want name them calling. Girl, make we get rich. Go round the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the world is. Press off the monkey, bill and X-list. Plus like Blanco, the one know we get this. Yes, happiness money can buy.
Tell me why.
Make me tell you why.
Yeah. Bumbleclad. The better go movement. Tell you the Cosmo. Yeah. Alkaline. Yeah. Blanco. Alright. Blanco, Alkaline. Wanna say? Vendetta fans, wanna say in the comment section. Wanna say? I know so no active over here, you know. I think I heard they in the dog. And music we say, you know, once music nice, you know. That we say. Big up the production team behind the one still. But me I say still. Alkaline, there's a second song. Why we not get a video, bro? You know how epic this would be actually seeing the visuals of things where you some of the things them where you talk about and see you do it for one nice, hot, beautiful moms. You know how good that would look? I hope you listen to this. I hope somebody send you this. I hope we can get a video, brother. I hope we can get a video in the long run, probably next couple of weeks or so. I am looking out. Because if a video drop, I will be reacting to the video, not the lyrics. Because I just react to the lyrics a while ago. You see me? I let it play on purpose. I didn't pause every 10 seconds. Because I wanted it to play out. You see me? Cause it's a vibe, The vibe. The G, a vibe. So hear me I say, make a video reach, dog. Please, make a video reach, brother. Yeah. Make a video reach. Vendetta fans in the comment section, big up on yourself. Yeah. This I'm going to leave down still. If you enjoy that one and want some more Alkaline reaction, click on any one of them two videos float over my head right now. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, man.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip corner.